Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from SDET Mission channel. Today in this series I'm going to discuss about Python programming language, where we're going to learn from basic concepts to the advanced concepts of Python programming. And today in this session I'm going to discuss about introduction of Python. So let's get started and stay tuned for all the updates in the entire series so that you will understand Python programming and you can develop an application or you can do an automation for any application. So let's get started. We all know Python is one of the popular programming language and it was created by Guido van Rossum. In 1991, the first version of Python is released, and Python is a high-level interpreter, interactive and objective-oriented scripting language. Python is designed to be highly readability. It uses the English keywords frequently, whereas other languages uses the different syntactical structures. And it uses a few less syntactical punctuations when compared to the other programming language. We will see how it uses a less programming syntaxes when compared to other when we actually do the practical programming sessions. And Python is used for web development application for server side, and for software development applications and even mobile applications can be developed using a Python programming. And we have some mathematical calculations that can be also done by using the Python programming, and it is easier when compared to the other. And we can use the system scripting as well. And there are some advantages of this Python programming. So that is, Python is an interpreted. So what does it mean? So Python is processed at runtime by interpreter, and where we no need to compile it again before executing it, which is similar to the PHP and Perl. So it doesn't require for compilation. When some other application uses a compiling first time, then we use again take that compiled code and execute it again. And here it doesn't require that kind of additional step, and where it gonna do at runtime only. And Python is an interactive. And what does it mean? So where whenever we open a Python prompt or Python command prompt, where we're gonna actually write our code and execute there itself, and we will see all the results updating in there. So we're gonna discuss this topic after our installation. So that is an interesting topic. So stay tuned for that update. And Python is an objective-oriented programming scripting language. So it supports all the objective-oriented styles and techniques programming that encapsulate code within the objects. So whatever we have some few topics related to this, we're going to discuss that in our practical session too. So we'll be doing that sessions soon. And it is for beginners. So whoever are trying to learn programming language, I recommend them to start with Python when compared to other languages. I'm taking an example like Java or C or C#. So they are also easy language, but they use more syntaxes and more punctuation. So you will need to spend more time when compared to Python. And they are also best programming language to start with. But if you are looking for career into Python, then you can start this Python programming, which is very easy when compared to the other. And Python has some different advantages too. Like it is easy to learn, easy to read, and maintenance of this Python programming is also easy. And we have a standard libraries, a broad range of standard libraries, and it has interactive mode and portability. So Python can run on wide variety of hardware platforms, has same interfaces on all platforms, and it can support major databases. So like SQL, MongoDB and all these things. So it supports major database concepts in this. So it has whenever we install Python, we will get the Python launcher as well. So we're gonna see that one. And we have some additional IDEs like PyCharm. So using that PyCharm also we can start writing our programming. So we're gonna see all these things and step by step. So this all planned for this intro session. I hope you like this session, and do post a like. And if the session is helpful, do share with your colleague. And thank you for watching. And do comment your comments if you have any queries, questions. Thank you.